channel Classify Community. So today we will be dealing with the AC circuit through capacitor. We have done the AC circuit through resistance, we have done with the inductor. Now we will be doing with the capacitor. That means the AC circuit or the applied voltage will be having a capacitor, and we represent capacitor with two parallel lines. So now see, I have written that let us consider a capacitor with capacitance C. This is a capacitor with a capacitance C, which will be connected to an AC source. This is a AC source with EMF having instantaneous value. This is that EMF which is having an instantaneous value, which is V0 sin omega t. So many times, in many books it is written E0, E0 sin omega t. So whichever you are comfortable with, you can write. Now see, due to this EMF, charge will be produced and it will charge the plates of the capacitor with positive and negative charge. Due to this EMF which will be produced, so this will be produced and give the capacitor a positive charge and a negative charge in the plates. Okay, so as it will be giving the charge, that means current will be flowing in the circuit, right? And we know that current is equal to charge, that is the change in the charge by the change in time. So we can write I is equal to dq by dt, and you have to remember that Q has a relation with the capacitance as Q equal to Cv. So instead of Q, we can write it as I equal to dCv by dt. So it is also says that if potential difference across the plates of a capacitor is V, that means this V will be the potential difference across the capacitor. Okay, so now we will take this C out and we will dV by dt, we will solve this I is equal to C dV by dt. Now we will put the value of V. V means that the EMF, and we know that the instantaneous value is V0 sin omega t. So we will simply write V0 sin omega t. So V0 is also came out, C is also outside, and whenever we do differentiation of sin omega t, that will be cos omega t and omega t differentiation. So we will get omega cos omega t, right? And we know that I0 is equal to V0 omega c. So we can simply write that I is equal to I0 cos omega t. And when we change this cos omega t to sine, we can say that I is equal to I0 sine omega t plus pi by 2. So it is clear from the equation 1 and the equation 2 that in a perfect capacitor, the current will lead the voltage by a phase angle of pi by 2. That means our V is equal to V0 sin omega t. This is our first equation, and a second equation is I0 sin omega t plus pi by 2. That means as till here it is same for the voltage and the current, but as I is having plus pi by 2, that means in the capacitor, when it will be perfect capacitor or the capacitor will be through the AC circuit, at that point of time the current will lead by 90 degree with the voltage. So this so if we make a diagram like this, we know that this is a sinusoidal wave, right? And our I0 will be, that is our current will be leading the voltage, so it will be leading by 90 degree. See, in the waveform, the V has started from 0, but our I has started from a leading of 90 degree. That is more than from where V has started, it has started before, above that, that means this is the leading current. So this is our current. Okay. So whenever you draw the phasor diagram for this, it says that this is a voltage, and as we know it will be leading by 90 degrees, so our I is leading by 90 degree, and from instantaneous of time, for any instant of time, you can tilt this one like this, and you can say this angle as omega t. So this is for the any instant of time. Okay, so this is a waveform. Our I naught will be this, and our V will be, that means this is our I, that is a current, and this is a V. Now see, we need to know the capacitive reactance. We know that I naught is equal to V naught omega C. So when we bring V naught by I naught this side and 1 by omega C this side, we get Xc, and we get a value that Xc is equal to 1 by omega C. So this Xc is known as capacitive reactance. So today's lecture ends here, and I hope you all understood it. So till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now is the code time. Every moment is a fresh beginning. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.